Cordless ratchets allow users to work on their vehicles or homes without putting in the effort to operate a manual ratchet and without the risk of tripping on an air hose. These tools use a battery to power the motor, which in turn rotates the head of the ratchet. There are many products available to choose the best cordless ratchets, each with different characteristics, benefits and price. To help you make an informed decision, I found these products much helpful for people like. If you know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Makita 18VLXT Lithium-Ion Cordless Ratchet Kit. Folks looking for flexibility, quality, and speed should check out Makita's 18V cordless ratchet. This ratchet receives its power from the brand's 18-volt battery lineup and features 35 feet-pounds of torque and up to a fast 800 RPM. It also has a compact design with an ergonomic rubber grip for comfortable use. This Makita cordless ratchet proved to be our favorite tool during testing. It was more or less on par with the others in terms of power, but its speed really set it apart. We also appreciated that this ratchet had a much lower profile head than the other large ratchets, so it could sneak into spots the others simply couldn't. We thought the directional switch was a little wonky, however. It's a tiny lever that could potentially catch on wires or hoses. Number 2. Milwaukee 245720M12 Cordless Ratchet. If you are looking for the best cordless ratchet for the money, you should check out the Milwaukee 245720M12 Cordless Ratchet. This best value option has an intuitive design and helpful features that give you a lot of stretch to your dollar. What's more, the ratchet comes with LED lighting. This lighting will allow you to clearly see what you are working on even in dimly lit conditions. It features battery tools that allow you to check battery percentage and prevent the battery from overheating as well. The main reason that the Milwaukee 245720M12 cordless ratchet is ranked number 2 instead of number 1 is that the battery is not included and it has less torque than our number 1 choice. Number 3. ACDelco ARW1201 Cordless Ratchet Tool Kit. There are very few negative things to say about the ACDelco ARQ1201 Cordless Ratchet Tool Kit. It has a professional-grade design, making it perfect for at-home or heavy-duty jobs alike. It also contains numerous features for easy and safe transitions and comes with a universal battery platform. At the same time, it's easy to use, making it speedy and efficient for work. It features a forward-reverse lever, which makes transitioning the tool much easier. The ACDelco ARQ1201 is equipped with a G12 series universal battery platform. This platform is designed to optimize ratchet performance while preventing overload through total system communication. Overall, this is the best cordless power ratchet wrench available this year. Number 4. KIMO 3302 Cordless Electric Ratchet. The KIMO 3302 Cordless Electric Ratchet is a high-performing, ultra-slim, and all-included ratchet set. Its unique design makes it comfortable for almost all your ratchet needs and comes with all the additional features you'd want in a ratchet set. Impressively, the KIMO 3302 has a high-performing but ultra-slim design. It has 12V batteries with a 0 to 400 RPM variable speed trigger and a torque of 40 feet-pound. At the same time, it is super lightweight, weighing only 2.2 pounds with batteries and features a super slim head design. These features make this tool perfect for just about any ratchet needs. We should note, however, that the switch lock is difficult to move on this product. Number 5. DeWalt Atomic 20V Max Brushless Inch Ratchet. Even though the cordless ratchet does most of the work, there can still be some wear and tear on the user's hands. DeWalt's Atomic 20V Max cordless ratchet aims to solve that issue. It has a soft rubber grip that promotes grip and keeps the user's hand comfortable throughout the whole project. It also has a rubber pad on the back side of the battery slot to maintain comfortable contact with the user's forearm. This kit comes with the DeWalt ratchet, a 2Ah battery, the charger, and the carrying bag. It produces up to 70 foot-pounds of torque from the brushless motor, and the variable speed trigger makes controlling that output very easy. The onboard LED lights the way in dark spaces as well. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you wants to know product price to check out of my description for any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay update with our cool products.